Hello and welcome back to our channel. This, as you know, is a part of a series in which I have been sharing easy to make recipe ideas for weight loss for those of you who are looking for a healthy weight loss plan. In this video, you will get to see the recipe of making an easy and delicious mixed fruit salad that can be served for anyone who wants to take up a diet for weight loss without any side effects on your health. As we all know that good dietary habits and regular exercises are a key to a healthy body and mind. So let's get to this recipe of making the mixed fruit salad. First, in this recipe, we are going to make a quick salad dressing. For that, we need some lemon zest. You can also use the orange zest. The details of this recipe, along with the health benefits of each of the ingredients used, are shared in our website. So if you're interested to know about the details, do check them out and there's a link for you in the description below. Into the same bowl, let's squeeze in some fresh lime. Here I'm adding date syrup. Dates, as we all know, is a great source of essential vitamins and minerals, and they also contain several antioxidants. But in case if you don't have them at hand, you can also substitute it with honey. That's it. So mix in all this, and here's a quick salad dressing done. Now you see, you can use this salad dressing in any other forms of salad. So as of now, let's keep it aside and proceed. Here are some fruits of my choice for making this fruit salad. Clean them thoroughly and prep them and get them ready for mixing in the salad bowl. You can take any fruits of your choice, but preferably I would like to avoid the citrus fruits as this is going to be served as a breakfast. So into a bowl, let's add in the papaya chunks. Cut pieces of dragon fruit, some grapes, mango, apple, and half portion of a medium-sized banana. It's always good to add in the salad dressing just before serving the salad. Now you see, there are few other breakfast recipes which are suitable for weight loss already shared in this channel, and I hope it will be of some help for you to decide with a healthy breakfast during your weight loss journey. You can select recipes according to your preference for each day and hence make your weight loss journey interesting and get to lose healthy pounds in the right way. Simply toss the fruits in the bowl and combine with the salad dressing. Now this recipe makes about 3 serving size. And yes, here's our mixed fruit salad ready to serve. Serve yourself with this mixed fruit salad as a breakfast on days of your intermittent fasting or weight loss journey and walk towards a healthy loss of weight. And fruits, being rich in dietary fiber, will keep you full for a longer time and at the same time supply the body with the best of nutrients. If you like this video and especially this series of weight loss recipes for breakfast, then please do like this video and let us know in the comments below. Also connect with us if you have any other queries or doubts. Thank you for being with us, with all hopes to see you soon in our next video. And also share it with your loved ones who may be looking for a weight loss diet plan.